things we're showing here at Max is the technology capability that On2 can bring to the marketplace for two-way video communications. And one of the things we've been working on quite a bit over the last couple of months is in conjunction with one of our existing licensees called Skype, who has a leadership voice and video over IP implementation. We've actually managed to implement a full 720p two-way communications capability, which is really, I think, one of the first in the industry. So we actually have a beta of their solution, which will be available to the general public soon. But for Max customers, we're actually showing an advanced peek at this new capability. Well, our technology has been in development. The VP7 technology that's at the core of this whole capability has been in development for years now. And some of the latest optimizations that we've made to the codec are only just now available. In fact, we've actually worked on some of these optimizations in conjunction with Skype to be able to enable this capability. So it's actually both pieces of technology, the VP7 from On2 with this support and the Skype release are not yet available to the general public, but will be very shortly. I suspect you'll start to see a beta from Skype in the next couple of days, actually, which is one of the reasons why we're able to show it here at the show. And our new release of our SDKs with this capability in it will be available probably within the next 30 days or so at the latest. We're going to see the world's first true HD video conferencing over a standard network, over a standard internet connection, from Chicago to upstate New York, right off of the network. This network, which is shared by everybody at McCormick Place here in Chicago. So we're going to make a call to our Vice President of Product Management in New York, John Luther.
Hello.
And here we have John.
Hi.
Hey, John.
Hi.
John's our Vice President of Product Management. He's in our Clifton Park, New York office. Now, the first thing that you will see here is when we expand to full screen mode, we're not just blowing up the video, we're actually retransmitting a new video stream that is actually originating in 720p now on John's system. Right, John?
Yeah, 960 by 720.
960 by 720. And we're getting, what do you think the frame rate is that we're getting right now?
This is 15.
15 frames per second. So we're seeing 15 frames per second, 720p video being transmitted through the Skype client from Skype to Skype.
Hold up to 20.
All right, read the serial number.
Right.
I keep forgetting everything's backwards.
That's like a mirror. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. You can see everything.
Everything. You can even see the watermark.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Very, very cool.
This is 300 kilobits. I don't know if Mike mentioned that. I mean, this is what most, UGC video is transmitted at much, much lower frame size.
This is 300 kilobits. Are you kidding me?
Would I kid you on live tape?
I honestly didn't even know that this was only 300 kilobits.
You can set the frame rate to whatever you want in the configurations. Just with the trade shows, sometimes we've experienced spotty internet connections and stuff, so 15 we just figured would be a smoother playback over 300. I mean, we could do 30 frames a second if we wanted to bump up the data rate a little.
Well, the SDK, we already have a VP7 SDK, which is what Skype has been using.
Okay.
And what we've essentially done is we've done some tuning that's specific for what they were trying to do with their application for this quality level and for what they were trying to achieve. So we worked very closely in conjunction with Skype to get this quality level essentially delivered as part of their application. And we've retrofitted those changes back into our SDK, which we're going to make available to our other licensees as well. We don't see ourselves right now as a turnkey provider of video conferencing solutions, so that's not what we do. We enable people who have those solutions with our underlying video technology, and that's our intent, is to continue to do that.